as this custody dispute sort of soured for his future ex-wife, he shows up at his hospital to go to work and is sworn and arrested on a warrant that he had no idea about. Apparently, this is some allegation that occurred in Georgia in June of 23. No report was made at the time. I think the state will confirm that. It wasn't until the custody issue here started to go south for his future ex. She then makes an online report in DeKalb County, Georgia, who accept charges without ever even talking to him, getting his side of the story. There's actual video evidence, I'm told, of what happened that's been litigated in family court. They're not responding to the state. All we want is a low bond so he can go deal with this there. He's not a flight risk. He's not family here. He's obviously got a good job. His boss is the one who brought me in on this. And so, you know, I don't want to ask for a dollar bond, but I ask as low as the court wants to go because it is a cash bond, and he's going to have to go hire a lawyer to deal with this.
So you're not going to go represent him over there?
I'm not going. I'm going to get it. I know. I stay in my lane.
Got it.
You know, we're going to find somebody in DeKalb County that will make this go away.
So, Mr. Reeder, you are wanted out of the state of Georgia for aggravated assault and cruelty to a child. What we have here is, I don't know you, I've never met you before, but my main concern are two. Are you a danger to my community? And number two, most importantly, are you going to go back to Georgia? I have to make the bond sufficiently high if I give you a bond so that you're going to go back, because you are, as everyone, it's an inherent flight risk because you're a fugitive from another state.
Judge, if I could, one other thing, the aggravated assault, my understanding in Georgia is the impeding breath statute here. And the child part of it is, the allegation is the 12-year-old child witnessed this. So it's not, there's no weapon involved or anything like that. It's a simple domestic violence situation.
Any prior criminal history?
No, he has no other history, Judge. And so I'm not able to confirm, but that seems logical in terms of when the warrant was dropped, but is correct. The charges, the Texas equivalent would be impeding breath, and I guess, I don't even know if we have.
You don't know this with certainty that
Oh, no,
that's
for the charges it is, but for the date, I don't have any other information. Like I said, I
don't know the actual, what the facts, what the.
Oh, yes, the strength.
Impeding breath, or whether it's a
Impeding breath
shooting a gun.
And then cruelty to it's strangulation, and the cruelty to child is the fact that the 12-year-old witnessed him allegedly strangling his wife. But regarding that, because of the nature of the charge, it's a state requests a $10,000 bond. And so
you're okay with the bond?
with a bond being set because he has no prior other criminal history, he hasn't exhibited any other information I could find that he's a flight risk. So.
Okay. So state wants a $10,000 bond. What's your counter?
My counter would be 1,000, Judge. He's not going anywhere. He's got a good job here. He's got support here. I'm here. They're not bringing me here to run away from anything. We're going to go fight this case and clear his name. Everything's here.
You got to understand that, you know, if I set you a bond, we expect you to follow through, and there are very serious consequences. I mean, you're old enough to know that actions have serious consequences. And if you fail to act, I'm going to set you a bond, and we give you 14 days from the date of your release to go turn yourself into Georgia. If you fail to do that, I'm telling you now, I'm not going to play this game with you again. If you fail to go, I will issue a nationwide warrant for your arrest, and I'm going to set your bond at 0. You won't get another one. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't know. So he wants 10, you want 1,000. I'll set it at 5, you know.
Would you consider 2,500? Because my understanding it's a cash bond. So we have to pay, we can't